Greetings and welcome to the lesson. How to write a good paragraph. This has been the topic of our discussion in the previous video lessons. We discussed what is a paragraph, what is the basic format for paragraph writing, and how many types of paragraph are there, and how to compose a good paragraph. That means if we want to compose a good or effective paragraph, then we need to know what are the elements or characteristics or traits of a paragraph which are considered to be essential in a good paragraph. So, in the previous lesson, we started the discussion about these four essential elements of a paragraph. First, unity. Second, order. Third, coherence. And fourth is completeness. In the previous part, we have discussed what is unity in the context of paragraph writing and how we can attain this while writing a paragraph, how we can bring in this element of unity while composing, while crafting this piece of writing, the paragraph. Now let me explain what is order in the context of paragraph writing and how we can maintain this essential characteristic in our piece of writing. So please keep your notebook and pen ready and please note down the points which you find important. Well, as far as the order is concerned in any paragraph or any piece of writing, then we must know these points first. Then we'll discuss how to maintain or how to bring in this element of order in writing. Well, let's talk about this order in the paragraph. Order के केस में कुछ points हैं जो मैं आपसे पहले discuss करूँगी. Then we will see how we can maintain the order. किसी paragraph में एक chronological order हो सकता है, यानी sequencing according to the time of happening or date of occurrence. अर्थात जिस sequence में, जिस time sequence में वो घटनाएं या वो ideas आते हैं, उसी सीक्वेंस में उन्हें एक्सप्रेस किया जाए. दिस इज द chronological order. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देयर इज अनदर ऑर्डर ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, यानी कोई आइडिया कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसकी सीक्वेंस या ऑर्डर या क्रम उस पैराग्राफ में रखा जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द ऑर्डर ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस. सम ऑथर फॉलो दिस. सो कोई भी ऑर्डर हो, whether it is chronological order or order of importance or another logical presentation of detail, a good paragraph always has a definite organization. अर्थात पैराग्राफ लिखते समय कोई भी ऑर्डर, कोई भी सीक्वेंसिंग रखी गई हो, लेकिन उनका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेफिनेट होना चाहिए, एक सुनियोजित और निर्धारित ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होना चाहिए. Because in a well-ordered paragraph, the reader follows along easily, aided by the pattern you have established. यानी आपने उसमें जो पैटर्न एस्टैब्लिश किया है वह इस प्रकार होना चाहिए कि रीडर उसे पढ़ते हुए उसके साथ बहता चला जाए. Now, why this order is important in a paragraph? There is one more reason for this. Order helps the reader to grasp your meaning and avoid confusion. एक well organized paragraph ही आपको clear ideas present कर सकता है. So this is all about the second element. Now let's take up the third element, that is coherence. Well, paragraph में coherence ऐसी quality है जो आपकी writing को understandable या comprehensible बनाती है, यानी उसे easily समझा जा सकता है. So what should we do to maintain or to bring the coherence in your paragraph? You know, sentences within a paragraph need to connect to each other and work together as a whole. एक paragraph के सभी sentences आपस में connected होने चाहिए. So one of the best ways to achieve this coherence in your paragraph is to use transition words. You know what are these words which are known as transition words? In fact, these words create bridges from one sentence to the next, means they are connectors and they easily transit the idea to the other sentence from the previous one. While writing anything or writing a paragraph, use of transition word is really a good technique. So I will give you some useful transition words which will help you practically. So, dear students, please note them down in your notebook and revise them later on and try to use them whenever you write a paragraph. Since these transition words, they work wonders. To show addition, we can use besides, equally important, further, furthermore, in addition, in the first place, moreover, next, etc. And to give example, we can say for example, for instance, in fact. This is to illustrate, and to compare, we can use in the same manner, likewise, similarly, etc. To express contrast, we can use although, at the same time, despite, however, in contrast, nevertheless, on the contrary, on the other hand, yet, though, still, etc. To summarize or to conclude, we can say all, in conclusion, in other words, in short, in summary, whole, that is, therefore, to sum up. And finally, to indicate a logical relationship, we can use accordingly, as a result, because, consequently, for this reason, hence, otherwise, since, therefore, thus, and many more. So learn all these transition words and try to use them. Definitely, the use of these transition words will add a coherence to your paragraph. The last or final element or characteristic that a paragraph should have is completeness. Completeness means a paragraph is well developed. So if all sentences clearly and sufficiently support the main idea, then your paragraph is complete. If there are not enough sentences or enough information to prove your idea or prove your logic, then the paragraph is incomplete. Usually 3 to 5 supporting sentences in addition to a topic sentence and concluding sentence are needed for a paragraph to be complete. So you should follow this structure of a topic sentence and then supporting details and in the end the concluding sentence. So किसी भी पैराग्राफ में completeness के लिए आवश्यक है कि आपका last sentence यानी concluding sentence should summarize your main idea by reinforcing your topic sentence. So there should be a connection between the concluding sentence and the topic sentence. So to write a good paragraph, try to bring in and try to incorporate or try to maintain these 4 elements in your writing process, that are unity, order, coherence, and completeness. So dear students, I hope now it's crystal clear what is unity, what is an order, what is the coherence, and what is the completeness in paragraph writing. So in the next lesson, we will see what are other steps to compose a good paragraph. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Thank you for joining. Happy learning.